no measurement software can include every possible analysis out of the box. Sooner or later, you need to do something specific to your experiment. The CustomFunction module lets you run your own Python code inside a SweepMe measurement to analyze data, calculate new values, or build custom interfaces. Let us look at a real example. A Calliope Mini 3 streams the live sensor signal from the microphone, measured continuously in a loop. On its own, a raw, noisy signal is hard to summarize at a glance. So we add a CustomFunction module, nested directly under the sensor, and choose a ready-made script that ships with SweepMe. It takes one argument, the sensor signal, and returns several statistics. The values the script returns become first-class measurement channels. They are plotted and saved exactly like data from any instrument. Talk near the board, and the statistics respond immediately. Behind it is just an ordinary Python class. You define the variables it returns, and write whatever logic you need. Curve fitting, peak finding, a control loop, or importing your own libraries. The position of the module in the sequencer decides which data it receives. Nested under an instrument, it evaluates that data live. Placed elsewhere, it can compare several instruments or post-process whole data files after a run. It can also draw its own widgets on the dashboard. This makes it possible to build a custom human-machine interface with exactly the readouts your setup needs. Typical uses include data smoothing, parameter extraction, repetitive curve fitting, and using SweepMe as a front end for a simulation. And because it is standard Python, you can reuse code you already have and share your scripts with colleagues. With CustomFunction, SweepMe is open-ended. If you can write it in Python, you can run it inside your measurement.